Howdy, y'all. This here's my mean streak. I've got a neat streak. Been doing a little shopping for it on the Amazon sale days, whatever. When I bought it, it had this tank bra or tank protector, tank bib. That's the word. It's pretty, but I'm pretty enough. And the bike's kind of cool looking, so I got enough leather, I got enough studded leather, and I'm more about utility. Only thing, the pocket is big enough to hold the clicker, the garage clicker, and that's it. And I like to go to the store and load up on groceries. I go camping on this thing, so I'm a big guy and I'm old, so I need comfort. So I load this baby down with chairs and hammocks and all kinds of stuff, sleeping bags. So I got me a tank bag. I love tank bags. My Kawasaki Concourse, I had one of the big ones. It was 2 layers. Boy, I could load that baby up. This one's got a map thing like that one did, but it's kind of tiny. It would have to be a small map. I do think my phone would fit. I'm pretty sure it would. It's a Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus, I think. It would probably fit in here, which would be handy. Although I do have a doodad here. I took the tank bib off, so I'm hot and sweaty because I had to take both seats off. This is a Mustang seat, 2-piece seat. I even had to crawl around on the ground and get under the fender to get the seat off. Had to take the bezel off the gas tank to get to it. This thing, all I do is lift it and go. This is the first time I've tried to see if it'll stick to the tank. Look at that. It's yeah, that'll stick in, I think. Maybe, probably. This is a Mad Dog tank bag. It'll fit up there. Maybe I can do it backwards. Yeah, that fits better. It's from Coleman, and it was about a half to a third of the price of the ones I've been looking at. It's got it's a removable pouch here for your phone or your map. Does anybody else use old-fashioned maps? It snaps off. Oh, there's a handy thing here to clip shoulder strap or something. It's got a handle. It's huge, as you can see, and most people I've read either cut it off or wrap it in paracord so it's not bouncing against your tank and scratching. Make sure your tank is nice and clean. You don't want to scratch your paint job, especially one like this, man. So it's only got one zipper compartment, and it's this big. My clicker and my old Mustang or thing will fit in there easily with plenty of room left over. I could even throw in my riding gloves. I don't know if my winter gloves will fit or not. Let's see. Yeah. Look at that. So it holds a lot more. And I don't plan to carry the tank bib, tank bra. I plan on just carrying my gloves, maybe throw my glasses in here, a couple other things. And, oh, there's even a pocket here for stuff. Key fob, some pin holders. So that's nice. Magnets aren't as strong. I gotta be honest, magnets aren't as strong as what I'm used to in a tank bag. Let's install you. I may have to go for a ride here in a bit just to see if it blows off in the wind. Oh, there we go. And you don't want to drag it across when you put it on or off. Do not drag it across your paint. Gently. So, comes with a rain pouch that has its own little compartment in the front. And with a little bungee. Let's see what that does. Look at that. Fits right on there. When you're toting around, those just fold over. It's the perfect size for this bike and my belly that hangs over. As long as it doesn't blow off. And it's got to sit upside down, pretty much like that, to stay in place for me. So upside down. Yeah, oh, and that stage feels pretty good. So now I can carry more junk besides my giant saddlebags that have their own accessory pockets. The sissy bar bag. The sissy bar bag has its own roll top bag that fits on top. Oh, there's a neat little pouch inside the rain pouch pocket, whatever. Good place to hide a key or a couple bucks or something. The magnets they're not perfect. The one I had a Riggs something, and you could be in a hurricane and it wouldn't blow off. It was awesome. Like I said, a double layer. It's a great place to put your phone. You got a charger. Oh, there is a pocket to run your earbuds, which I could start using. I even have a earbuds with a microphone. I could start recording while I'm riding down the road. I could do a podcast while I'm riding with my microphone. Ooh, wouldn't you love that, internet? I knew that you would. I've done an iron butt, not on this bike, but on the concourse, 1,000 miles in 24 hours. I kept drinks in there, which this thing has a drink holder on the side. The bike, not the bag. I've kept snacks. When you're doing an iron butt at 3 or 4 in the morning, if you're trying to stay awake, you stick some gummy bears or something in your tank bag and pull one out and chew on it while you're riding. The chewing and the sugar helps keep you awake. Trust me on that one. So I paid $20 for it. It's worth $20, but you get what you pay for. You get stronger magnets with a better one. And honestly, the magnets are yeah, we'll see. I may say screw it and get a decent one and sell this one or give it away or something because of the magnets. The magnets, they just concern me. Anyway, that's it. It's a Other than the magnets, it's a thumbs up. The magnets worry me. So with the magnets, it lowers the score. Could be the bezel here is probably, and I can't slide it too far down because of my belly. Let's see if I slide it down. Yeah, I could use it as a belly rest if I slid it all the way down, I suppose. Yeah, right there. That's the spot. Okay, it works like this. Still, these magnets are... There's 4 of them, and I'm not impressed. So, like I said, you get what you pay for. I could pay $120 for a Nelson-Rigg. That's the good one. 70 to 120 for a good one. Or you can get a $20 Nelson-Rigg or a Mad Dog by Coleman and hope it stays. That's what we got. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me ramble. And we'll see you next time.